Hey, what are you doing?
Changing out the filter.
Hey, you know that Projectors filter free.
Huh. Okay.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I gotta change the lamp out.
You know that Projector doesn't have a lamp either. Its light source is laser and it's maintenance free.
Wow. These NEC projectors really are something. Keep dust out of your projectors with Sharp NEC's patented IP5X sealed cooling system, available in the PA and P-Series projectors. With a laser light source and filter-free design, no bulbs or filters ever need to be changed, eliminating downtime and ensuring years of worry-free operation. Our filter-free design minimizes airflow needed to cool, keeping your projector whisper quiet. Pretty incredible that the NEC projector has a 20,000 hour laser light source. I mean, whisper quiet too.
Dude, I don't even know how that guy got in here.